Hi everyone, welcome back to From Pain to Wellness. Today I'm excited to share with you a creamy and comforting recipe, chicken stroganoff. This dish is a hearty and flavorful classic, originally created in 19th century Russia for the upper class, actually for the Count Stroganoff. Today I've adapted it for those managing autoimmune diseases. So it is rich, savory, and satisfying without the heavy ingredients. So let's jump right in and start cooking. So this is what you'll need to make this creamy chicken stroganoff for 4 portions. In a large pan, heat your coconut oil or avocado oil over medium heat. Then add the cubed chicken. Season it with salt and salt. And cook it for about 10-15 minutes, turning it occasionally until the chicken is lightly brown. In the same pan, add the diced onion and the garlic, and saute them until the onion becomes translucent. Next, add the horseradish and the mushroom. And cook them until they become a little bit softened. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. An original stroganoff dish is supposed to have mustard, but since an autoimmune protocol elimination phase does not include mustard amongst the ingredients that are allowed in this diet, we replace the mustard with the horseradish. Now, let's return the chicken to the pan and add a cup of water. We'll cover the pan and let it simmer over medium-low heat for about 15-20 minutes until the chicken is tender. If the water evaporates, feel free to add a little bit more to keep everything moist. Now it's time to make the sauce. In a separate bowl, dissolve the arrowroot flour or the tapioca flour and a little bit of the coconut cream or coconut milk. As a coconut milk or coconut cream, make sure that you choose a can that doesn't have any gums in it. So this one, for example, has just coconut and water. Let's pour the coconut milk or coconut cream and let's bring it to a boil before pouring also the mixture of the arrowroot flour or tapioca flour and the coconut milk that we just made previously. Let's pour the arrowroot or tapioca flour and coconut cream or coconut milk into the pan. We'll stir everything together and we'll let it simmer for another 5 or 10 minutes, making sure to stir occasionally so that the arrowroot doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And now your delicious chicken stroganoff is ready. This dish is perfect served over gluten-free pasta, mashed sweet potatoes, or cauliflower rice. And there you have it, a hearty, flavorful chicken stroganoff that's perfect for a cozy night in. Whether you serve it over pasta, mashed potatoes, or cauliflower rice, this dish is sure to hit the spot. If you enjoyed this recipe, feel free to share it with someone who might love it too. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more nutritious and tasty meals coming your way. Thanks for cooking with me today, and until next time, take care and happy eating.